It's time to buy stocks and cryptocurrencies, and everyone should be investing, even if you're lower income. I understand you may not have much capital, but that's why in this video, I'll be sharing some ideas of what you can do to start right now, even if you don't have very much money. Especially since this is one of those once or twice per decade opportunities where we have a bear market turn into a bull market, like this year and next year, which is an excellent opportunity to boost your portfolio or to make up for lost time. Traditionally, once your savings account has enough money in it to cover 3 to 6 months worth of expenses if you were to lose your sources of income, after that you don't want to save anymore. You want to invest, at least with dividend and growth stocks in an IRA each year. But again, there is actually something better you can do right now in this rare opportunity. First of all, it doesn't take very much money to buy shares of cheap stocks like Rumble and Chewy, which will probably double or quadruple this year or next year, which makes them worth holding. That's what I did in 2020. I bought a bunch of stocks that recovered 200 to 400% just by holding the shares. Cryptocurrency is similar. You can either buy cheap coins or portions of expensive coins and probably double, triple, or quadruple your money this year or next year, just like so many coins that have already run that much this year. But what about the expensive, reliable stocks like AMD and Apple, where if you could afford shares, you could make $50 or $100 easily, but fractional shares don't always seem as worth it percent-wise? Well, in that case, you can do options. Options give you the opportunity to turn $20 into $100. Trading options is risky, but simply learning how to invest and hold options is pretty simple and safe. For example, Verizon dipped today like we expected because today was its ex-dividend date, but as it approaches earnings on the 23rd, it usually moves up, and I'm quite confident it'll at least reach $45 per share this year. Verizon, just like Ford, has cheap options where I've turned $10 or $20 into $30, $40, $50 multiple times. Also with Jumia as well. Or say JetBlue, for example, if you buy the $8 call for June, it's only about $30, and it'll probably be worth $200 by then. I just sold my UNG call at a 200% gain after only holding it for 1 week. FOMO is actually a good thing in a bull market, so even if you only have $100, you can buy 3 good calls for 2 months out that'll probably make you hundreds of dollars. And at the very least, you bought yourself a couple more months to raise some more money to invest more properly later. Normally, trading can yield better results than investing, although investing is safer. But during a bull market, you can just hold for a few months or a year and make 500 to 1,000% without the risk of trading.